Hey everybody, PJ Crypto here, and we're going to get into a video that kind of goes into some of the basics when it comes to starting your journey investing in a cryptocurrency. I think just given the fact that we are in a state of affairs right now with crypto, I thought it would be important just to come bring it back to some of the basics for folks that have heard some good things about getting diversified in their investments and getting into the crypto space. So I wanted to do this video series, and I started this today. And with this video series, we're going to start with, how to set up a wallet. We'll also go into how to actually take your local currency fiat and turn it into cryptocurrency as an investment vehicle. And we'll also just kind of go through some basic fundamentals of cryptocurrency. I think it's important to continue to remind folks about just how easy it is and that there are some barriers, sure, and every country is different. I understand that. But here at the PJ Crypto channel, we're going to go through some examples of where you might find it easier to do in your country to get your fiat turned into crypto. Because frankly, as we talk about in this channel, diversification of your investments is a paramount decision that you should be doing in your investing career. I don't give out any financial advice here at the channel, but I certainly want to make sure you understand that crypto should have some part in your investment journey. And it's up to you on your risk tolerance about how much you actually want to invest into cryptocurrency. So let's go ahead and jump into the content and start talking about how to create yourself a MetaMask wallet. All right, let's roll the video. All right, folks, we're going to get into how to set up a MetaMask wallet and what a MetaMask wallet is. You may have heard your buddies or somebody mention to you, oh, you got to set up a crypto wallet. And so you're like, wallet? What do you mean? Like my wallet? No. This is a digital wallet, and it is a way for you to hold your cryptocurrency as your own custodian, okay? Which means basically nobody else other than you have access to this cryptocurrency. Unlike a traditional bank institution, they are the custodian of your assets, so your cash or your fiat that you have. Now, with this cryptocurrency wallet, what is happening is you are now taking control of your investment and your assets as your own custodian. So with this browser extension that we're going to go about into, it's very simple to set up, but here is the key thing that we're going to get into, and you're going to see it in this step here. Not your keys, not your crypto. Meaning you can go ahead and buy crypto on a centralized exchange. Yeah, that's super easy. Set up an account today, fund it with some fiat, and you're good to go. Yes, of course you can do that, but that cryptocurrency isn't your custodial access. This here I'm going to show you is how to actually possess your own assets of cryptocurrency, and you are the holder, and nobody else can tell you or dictate what happens to those assets. Not your keys, not your crypto. And when I say keys, I mean like kind of like keys to the cars, right? We're going to get into private keys or the actual seed phrases that go into these wallets. And a seed phrase, yes, it sounds like a complicated term, but really all it is think of it like a complicated passcode phrase that is used to access this wallet. You write this down and never, ever share that with anybody ever, okay? Those are the keys to the castle, okay? Keys to your assets. But we're gonna go and set up a test wallet right now. I'm gonna go through it with you. It's quite simple to do, but go through these steps and just understand it's not that hard to do. But I'm gonna go through the PC version today, and then I'll have another follow-on video of how to do the mobile application as well. Okay, so stay tuned for that in this playlist. But for now, let's get started with setting up our MetaMask wallet. All right, so step one, metamask.io. Go to that website. I have it here, metamask.io. It's a crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps, okay? This you will download for the Chrome extension, okay, that goes into your browser. And it'll now pop up, once you have it fully installed, it'll show up here as one of your extensions, and right here is where you'll actually access that wallet and all the crypto that you have invested in, okay? It'll also be used for transactions that you want to make by buying and selling crypto, okay? So let's go ahead and download it for the Chrome browser. Add to Chrome is the next step. And here you're going to get a prompt from Google. Will say, do you want to add this extension? I'm going to say yes. All right, so here we go. Now we get into the actual setup process for MetaMask. Now that you've added that extension, it says, let's go ahead and get started. Click on that. You can agree to help them with this. I've done this before, and either way really helps, makes a big difference. You can say no thanks here and move on. All right, so the next step here on new to MetaMask is You're not going to have a seed phrase, so you won't be selecting this because this is you setting up your wallet for the very first time. Now, if you already have a wallet and you're probably putting this into your Chrome extension for a wallet you already own, this is where you would take that secret passphrase and import it into here and create your wallet from there. But we're doing a brand new setup. So yes, let's go ahead and create a new wallet and get started here. Okay, so create wallet. Now I'm going to go ahead and type in a password. And then I'm going to click, I have read and agreed to the terms, click create. Now we're going to go into securing our wallet. This is the passphrase that you're going to set up for your wallet. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and reveal this because again, this is a test for me. This is not something that I'm going to use going forward, but for you, you're going to write this down on something that you can store in a safe location. Okay. Don't put this on your phone. Don't put it in an unsecured file. Make sure you tuck this away in a safe place that will never get lost. Okay. So this is your secret recovery phrase. And I'm going to go ahead and write that down right now. All right, I've gone on and write that down, and now I'll click the next step. Okay. You want to make sure you copy this down and you're ready to go. Click next. All right. This is why it was important to do that, because I'm now going to click on these words in the order that I wrote them down. So all 12 of these secret words need to be in the sequence that you saw them being written. So for example, I took a screenshot. You'll see right here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Those 12 words need to be in that exact order. So you might well put number 1, extra, number 2, trust, number 3, soda, so on and so forth. Okay. So that is how you need to make sure you put them in here. So in my case, I'm going to put in, okay, we got extra, trust, and I'm just going to go through all these real quick. Okay, we've gone ahead and entered in our secret phrase in the order that we wrote it down. Click confirm. Congratulations, you've now passed the test. Keep that safe. Don't share this with anyone. Don't put it on your phone. Keep it safe. All done? Here we go. We're all set. We have now set up our MetaMask browser extension. Now, what's a nice thing to do is actually go up here to the top of your Chrome browser and click on this extensions. Now from here, what I do is I pin this so I'm always able to see my MetaMask extension shown in my browser. If I click on pin, then it's shown right up here, nice and easy and safe. And if I click on it up there, click this once new. So you will always start with Ethereum mainnet. Now, you may not eventually want to just have just Ethereum type of tokens. You might want to have Polygon, Binance, you might have Phantom, you might have Avalanche, there's all these other blockchains that are out there. So we will go through in other videos how to set up those other chains on here. But here you go. You have now set up your MetaMask browser extension wallet. And as you can see right now, I have no Ethereum because everybody starts with 0. But yes, this is it. You have now successfully set up your wallet. Now, the other thing is you may be asked, what's your wallet? What's your wallet called? What is your wallet number? So your wallet number is easily located up here, right here. See this, how it just hovers up, it says copy to clipboard. So that is my wallet. And you can also see this up here in the extension link where you can click on it here as the account. Click on that and it copies to clipboard. So if I go somewhere else and I paste it in there, this is my wallet address here. You can see all the letters and numbers that go along with that. So that is your wallet. And if I was to even take it even further, you can go on to, for example, this is ETH, right? This is the ETH protocol. If I go to a website called etherscan.io, again, I'll have the links down below. This is where you track transactions on the blockchain for Ethereum. And if I paste it in my wallet here, you will see nothing has been done yet because it's a brand new wallet. You can click here. There's nothing, no transactions at all. This is a blank wallet, no value in it, but this is the address of my wallet that I just started and created. Now, that wallet, sure, you could put that on your phone, put it on a notepad or whatever, because if somebody has this wallet address, they can't do anything with that wallet. They need your keys, your seed phrase, your private key. They need that in order to access your funds. So it's okay to share this with someone else. Of course, if you're willing to show others what transactions you do. Some people are very private about it, but this is how you actually trace transactions and everything, by grabbing your wallet and putting it into the blockchain explorer. So in this case, we went to Etherscan, which is a blockchain explorer for Ethereum. Okay, so that's how you go ahead and set up your first wallet. You have now started your cryptocurrency journey. Congratulations to you. First step is complete, and we have other steps to go. I hope you enjoy this playlist. And that's all we had today. PJ Crypto signing off, and I'll see you on the moon.